Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to delete the Activision account or the Warzone 2 account permanently. So let's get started our video. First of all, you have to just log into your account and then click on the profile option at the top of this page. And at this interface, just click on the privacy and the security at the left side of the page and then scroll down. And here in this article, you will find an option of privacy and the data protection. Just click on it and wait for opening this type of the interface. Here you will find the two options, check my case status, and second is the submit a new request. Just click on the second one, submit a new request, and then scroll down and agree to the terms and the conditions and then select the country. And then you have to just click on proceed to privacy and the data protection portal. So then you will find this type of the interface. You have to just scroll down here and you will find the four options here. You have to just click on the third one, which is delete my personal information or write to the eraser. Right after that, you have to just select the account that you want to delete permanently among the Activision or the Call of Duty account. I am selecting the first one, Activision account, to delete permanently. Just click on the account and here you will find this pop-up window. Just verify the captcha and then put here your email and the password and then click on the login. Just wait for processing, and after processing you can see that all personal information for linked account will be deleted upon submission of your request. As you want to delete permanently, then you have to just move forward and then again verify the captcha. After that you have to just scroll down and again accept the terms of the use and then click on delete my personal information, right to the eraser. So right after that you will find here a step of the interface. You have to just again click on the verify terms and the conditions and then click on delete my personal informations again. So wait for the processing, and after that you can see that your request has been submitted to delete your account permanently. So within 48 to 72 hours your account will be deleted. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website. This link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.